Have you ever wondered about iconic treats from around the world? In France, there are delicate croissants. In America, there are indulgent donuts. And in Spain, you'll find delightful churros. But in Germany, there's a beloved favorite with a distinctive twist: the pretzel. Pretzels are more than just a snack, they're a cultural icon. Renowned for their unique shape, sweet salty flavor profile, and golden brown crust. Today, join Captain Discovery as we unravel the fascinating story behind the pretzel. We'll delve into the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into creating these hot, crispy delights. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to dive into fascinating processes from around the world. The pretzel's origins can be traced to early European civilizations, particularly in Germany around the 7th century. Known originally as the Pretzel in Latin, it was crafted by monks from leftover bread dough into a unique twisted knot, symbolizing both luck and spiritual importance. Over time, pretzels became popular across Europe, especially during Lent, due to their simple ingredients permissible during fasting. Their distinctive shape and symbolism evolved, making them a favorite snack enjoyed by people of all backgrounds. In the 18th century, German immigrants brought pretzels to America, where they gained popularity, especially in cities like Philadelphia with large German communities. Today, pretzels are enjoyed worldwide in various textures and flavors, reflecting local culinary preferences and traditions. Industrial mixers combine high-gluten flour, water, yeast, salt, sugar, and sometimes butter to form the dough. Precise measurements and controlled conditions ensure consistency and hydration levels. Once mixed, the dough undergoes kneading to develop the gluten network, giving the dough its characteristic elasticity and strength. After kneading, the dough is transferred to large climate-controlled fermentation chambers. These chambers maintain optimal temperature and humidity to promote yeast activity. The dough is allowed to rise for around 30 minutes to an hour. This rising process is essential for developing the dough's distinctive flavor and texture. Once the dough has risen, dough dividers are used to cut it into uniform pieces, ensuring consistency in size and weight. Each dough piece is then rolled into long ropes, which are twisted into traditional pretzel shapes. The typical method involves forming a U-shape, crossing the ends over each other twice, and pressing the ends onto the bottoms of the U. And now is the Captain Discovery's Daily Quiz. What is the meaning behind the pretzel shape? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Stay tuned! The shaped pretzels are conveyed into a heated alkaline bath containing water and baking soda. The alkaline bath process typically requires about 30 to 60 seconds for each pretzel. It is essential for developing the pretzel's distinctive crust and color. After the alkaline bath, pretzels move along a conveyor where coarse salt is evenly sprinkled onto them. In addition to the salt, other toppings such as sesame seeds, cheese, garlic, herbs, and cinnamon sugar can be applied. Pretzels move from the shaping process into the continuous tunnel ovens. The baking temperature in those ovens typically ranges between 200 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius to achieve the desired crispy exterior and golden brown color of the pretzels. Once the baking cycle is complete, the freshly baked pretzels exit the ovens and are gently conveyed along cooling conveyors. These conveyors are designed to gradually reduce the temperature of the pretzels, ensuring they cool down evenly without compromising their texture or flavor. A good pretzel should meet some criteria such as texture, crispy exterior, soft and airy interior, color, deep golden brown, flavor, balanced saltiness and slight sweetness, shape, uniform twisted form. Then pretzels undergo automated packaging processes designed to handle various packaging formats efficiently. This includes details such as product name, ingredients, nutritional information, and expiration dates. And now is the time for the answer. The pretzel shape is a symbol of a good fortune and prosperity. The knotted shape might have resembled interwoven arms, representing luck and intertwined destinies. Because of this meaning, pretzels are sometimes gifted for special occasions. And that is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to find more interesting things around the world.